There's something we never get taught in school. How to let go.
We learn how to hold on to goals, to people, to identities. We're told persistence is strength,
And it is, until the weight starts to drown you.
Sometimes the real strength isn't in holding tighter. It's in releasing what's already gone.
Hey, welcome to the mindshiftlab. I'm glad you're here, because this one is personal.
Letting go isn't just psychology, it's an art of healing.
Maybe you're holding on to someone who left, a version of yourself that no longer fits, or a plan that didn't work. Today, we'll explore 7 psychology lessons that help you loosen that grip and finally breathe again.
Lesson 1. Acknowledge the grief. Letting go always begins with loss, even if you're letting go of something that hurt you. You're grieving the what could have been. Psychologists call this ambiguous loss, mourning something that never fully existed. The key is to name it. I'm grieving the version of me who thought this would work. You can't heal what you refuse to name. Lesson 2. Understand the illusion of control. Your brain loves control. It mistakes predictability for safety.
That's why you replay old moments, trying to rewrite them in your head.
But control over the past is a lie.
You only ever have influence over what happens next.
One powerful practice is to ask yourself, what do I still control right now? Usually it's your response, your boundaries, or your next small step. Start there. Lesson 3. The empty hand paradox. Imagine you're holding 2 heavy stones, one labeled anger, the other what if. As long as your hands are full, you can't pick up anything new. Sometimes life can't give you peace until you put something down. Write a list of what you're still gripping. Then, one by one, decide what can be left behind. Quick pause. Before we go further, take a slow breath.
Feel the air move in and out. This isn't just a video.
It's a small release practice.
Right now in this moment, something inside you is already loosening. Lesson 4. Acceptance isn't approval. People resist letting go because they confuse acceptance with saying, "It's okay that it happened." No. Acceptance just means, it did happen, and I'm done fighting reality. Acceptance frees your energy from what can't be changed and redirects it to what can. Lesson 5. Emotional residue. Even after we think we've let go, small memories trigger the same pain. Psychologists call this emotional residue. It fades only when we replace it with new experiences. Don't wait to feel ready. Create new memories before the old ones disappear. That's how the brain rewires attachment. Lesson 6. Self-forgiveness. This is often the hardest. We blame ourselves for staying too long, trying too hard, not seeing it sooner. But self-blame keeps you tied to the story. Forgiveness doesn't mean excusing mistakes. It means choosing not to be your own jailer. Try saying, "I didn't know better then, but I do now." That sentence alone is liberation. Lesson 7. The release ritual. The brain responds to symbols. Write a letter to what you're releasing, a person, a dream, an identity. Read it once, then safely burn or tear it. It's not magic, it's neuroscience. Rituals mark endings, and endings make space for beginnings. Let's recap. 7 lessons. Acknowledge the grief. Let go of control. Empty your hands. Accept without approval. Replace emotional residue. Forgive yourself. And mark the ending with ritual. Letting go isn't forgetting. It's remembering without being held hostage. It's not weakness, it's clarity. You're not losing a part of yourself. You're making room for who you're becoming. Here's your challenge. Tonight, write one line that starts with, "I'm ready to release." It doesn't have to be long. Just one honest sentence. You'll be surprised how heavy silence becomes when you finally give it a voice. If this video found you at the right time, don't let it fade. Subscribe to the mindshiftlab because healing is a journey and you don't have to walk it alone. And if you're ready to rebuild after letting go, watch my video on confidence next. It's right here.